When I arrived in Aberystwyth, I felt good. I was excited because everything was new. My new house was different to my house in Brazil. It was different colors to my house in Brazil. My house in Brazil had 2 floors and a garden. I lived there all my life. I had my own bedroom. I had a bed, a computer, and from the window I could see my friends' houses. The people here are different. The streets are different. From my bedroom window I can see houses, but I don't know who lives there. I like the English language. It's helped me to communicate at school and when I go around Aberystwyth at weekends with my friends. We sometimes go to the Commodore cinema. In Brazil, I had lots of friends, boys and girls. We went to the cinema, played games outside, and went to eat at their houses. Here, I often play computer games. I like listening to Brazilian bands. I still have my friends in Brazil. I have been in Aberystwyth for 5 months, and I still feel good. The most important things to me are friends and family. Brazil is very important to me, and so is my mom.